Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Narali back here again with another video for you guys, and today's video is going to be a little fun for me. I'm going to be recreating or kind of transforming myself to look like Becky G. I've been told by like one or two people that I kind of look like her, and honestly they'd be gassing my head because I'd be like, deadass? Like, you think I look like her? Like, what? Like, that's the biggest compliment ever. I don't think I look like her whatsoever, so please don't come at my neck. But since I've been told, I thought it'd be fun to do. I wanted to do like a transform myself into a celebrity type of thing, but I didn't know who to do. And since I was told that like once or twice, I was like, oh, maybe I'll actually try to do my makeup like her. So I'm gonna put the picture right here of what I'm gonna be recreating. And yeah, so let's turn this into that, and let's see how close I can get it. So yeah, let's just jump right into the video. First things first, I'm taking my hair and I'm taking that all out of my face, and I'm just basically like putting the headband in. And then I'm going in with my Pond's moisturizer and just moisturizing my face so I can prep it, you know. And then I'm going in with the Creme eyeliner gel that I always use, and I'm filling in my eyebrows, and I don't usually fill it in as much as I did in this video. So I was trying to mimic her arch because her arch was like really defined, and I was low-key scaring myself. Like right now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, damn, like did I really just do that? But you know, it comes out better eventually because, you know, concealer is your best friend. And yeah, so basically I just fill it in, and then I take my Tarte Shape concealer in the shade Tan Sands, and I fill that in, and it does all the difference in the world, honestly. So after I conceal my eyebrows, I basically just brush them all out so I don't have boxy eyebrows because they was a little thick for me. And then I take my Tarte Shape concealer in the shade Medium, and I put that on my eyelids and blend that out as my eyeshadow primer. Of course, since I'm doing the Becky G transformation, I'm going to go in with her Colourpop Salvaje palette in the shade Caramelo, and I'm just going to use that as my transition color. After blending my life away, I'm going in with the shade Cafecito, and I'm basically just putting that in my outer corner and kind of like trying to wing that out a little bit because her look was very winged out. To deepen the look up, I'm going in with a soft glam palette in the shade Noir, and I'm basically smoking it out a little bit more and kind of still keeping that in my outer corner just to deepen up the look but still have that winged out effect. So to make sure there's no harsh lines, I'm going in with that transition shade Caramelo, and I'm basically just blending that all away. And then I'm wetting my little brush and going in with the shade Estrella and putting that on my lid basically to give it like that little shimmer that she had. So that was basically it for the eyes. I already moisturized, so now I'm going with the Fit Me loose powder in the shade Medium Deep, and I'm basically just putting that all over my face lightly. I then take my MAC Fix Plus and spray that all over my face, and I'm covering my eyes because I didn't want my eyeshadow to get ruined. And after that, just let that baby air dry out, and then I take my Photo-loving Primer by NYX and I put that all over my face. Once I have that all over my face, I take my NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat foundation in the shade Medium Beige, and I basically just put that all over my face as well, and you know, cover up all those scars that I got going on and the blemishes. The breakouts are real, girl, right now. We don't know why, but I'm basically just blending that all away, and then I'm going in with my Tarte Shape concealer in the shade Tan Sands and covering up the little dark spots that I have. After blending that out, I go in with the Fit Me loose powder again, and I basically just put that all over my face because my forehead especially tends to get very oily, and she looks pretty matte, except the fact that she has like a nice highlighter on. But yeah, besides the point. Then I go in with my Tarte Shape concealer in the shade Tan Sands, and I put that under my eyes to, you know, cover them up because she don't look like she got bags like I do. And then I'm basically just blending that out with this concealer brush. I do make sure to wing out the concealer just to still keep that winged out effect there. I was way too lazy to get up and wet my beauty blender, so I basically just took the Max Fix Plus spray and I sprayed it on my beauty blender and I blend out the rest of my concealer so that I don't have any creases. I then take the Kat Von D translucent powder and I put that under my eyes to make sure that my under eyes don't crease. And I'm also taking that and putting that right under my cheekbones to make sure that the contour is literally very defined, just like hers. I then take the Smashbox Studio Skin Face Shaping Stick and I basically just cream contour because her contour was literally so strong, so I was trying to match her energy, you know what I mean. I also take the contour stick and contour my jawline because her jawline is very thin. Like, her face is very thin in general, so, you know, I was trying to match that vibe. I don't know if I succeeded too much, but, you know, I tried. And then I also do contour my nose because, like I said, her face is very thin, so a lot of it is very thin. I mean, my face is thin too, but, like, I feel like hers is a little thinner. I mean, I love that for her, so I kind of tried to match her nose, you know? Once I'm done with the cream contour, I'm basically going in with the Kat Von D Shaded and Light palette, and I'm basically just going over the same places that I did cream contour, and then I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm basically tapping in the excess powder into my face, and I'm also taking the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm going over my nose contour with this. Make sure my nose is blended out. I take this brush and basically just do tapping motions on my nose. For my blush, I mix the Milani blush and the Note blush that I always use, and I basically just apply the blush on my cheeks, and I kind of went in a little too much, so I just blend it out with my powder brush. For highlight, I go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dip Glow Kit, and I also spray my brush with the Max Fix Plus, and I basically just apply that, and like, this highlight palette will forever be one of my favorites because, like, nobody can come at me because I am glowing. Once I'm done with my face, I go back in with the Soft Glam palette in the shade Noir, and I put that under my eyes, like on my waterline type of thing, but very lightly. Honestly, you can barely see it, but like, it's there, trust me. And then I go in with this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide eyeliner, and I put that on my waterline. And then, you know, I'm curling the lashes and, you know, make it look like I have some lashes, you know, because like, I low-key don't right now. And then I'm going in with the Bambi Eye Mascara by L'Oreal, which honestly, this is one of my faves. I got it from Influencer and it was poppin'. And then I'm also going in with this eyeliner and I'm putting it on, like, I'm basically just like lining my eyelids or whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I kind of suck at eyeliner, but like, I really tried. And then after that, I'm lining my lips with the Kylie Jenner lip kit thing in the shade Dolce K. And yeah, I'm basically just lining that up. And then I go in with this lip gloss that I didn't show, but it is by Alamar Cosmetics in the shade Coqueta. And then I'm putting on these lashes, and honestly, it looks like I'm struggling, but like, I got it, so like, boom. And then I'm gonna do my hair, and I do this slick back ponytail like hers. I didn't do the braids because hair is not my specialty at all, so I wasn't gonna try that. And yeah, basically just slicking it all back and, you know, get all those baby hairs, all that stuff. And then I'm tying it all up, and I look like I'm having a headache already. Like, I'm having a headache just looking at this because it was so tight. And then I'm putting on this Tresemme spray and spraying it all up so that I can be snatched. And that's it. That's all. Today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Honestly, I think I kind of failed because I don't think I look like her. I like the way my makeup turned out. I'm not gonna say I don't like it because I do like it, but I don't think it looks like her. And even like trying to do like the pose or like the pictures, I was just like, damn, like, I'm really like a bootleg version of her. Like, I don't even compare to her, but it's okay. I had fun doing it. It took me a really long time because I was trying to get like everything. Honestly, my brows is like my least favorite part because I don't fill in my brows, so like, trying to fill them in like hers, I was like struggling, and then I feel like they don't look that good. So yeah, but anyways, if you guys wanted me to do more recreations of like celebrity looks, then just let me know in the comments down below and I'll make sure to do that for you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.